Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can add Squarespace domain into Shopify account. So here we go. If you create a website with the Squarespace domain, because of Squarespace is special for easy to edit website templates for full commerce and marketing features to run your business online. And also, if you don't know what is Squarespace, you can start to free trial, no credit needed. And this is what's your site about. This help us guide your experience. For example, so here you can follow this a tutorial. So after you build your website, your domain, you can copy your website. Then to open your Shopify account, and here you can try to search your domain. Here you can click domains, and here we go. You can click connect existing domain. So secure the perfect domain for your store that customers can trust and find easily. You can buy a new domain from Shopify, or connect a domain you already purchased from a third party like Google Domains or GoDaddy. So here, this is the Squarespace. So you can click and pass your domain here. Enter the domain you want to connect, then you can click next, follow the instruction. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And so please comment below. See you in the next video.